So I thought I'd put this up here to show you exactly how to add things into a discussion. Let's say that you're putting up your proposal from something that you've copied to your YouTube page, or you want to provide some reference video that you have found. Here what I've done inside of the main Canvas page, and this one I'm using my computer art one. I may reference this into my other classes, but I'm inside of my computer art one Canvas shell. And in discussions, I've opened up a discussions. I've entitled it Creative Design Brief Discussion. So I want to add the video here that I produced and put up on my YouTube page. In order to do that, what you need to do is you need to go to this little thing right here. This is a chain emblem. It's the link. And in there, what you want to do is you want to go to external link. So I'm going to type in here, intro to creative design briefs, because that's what this is going to be about. And the external link would go here. So then I'm going to go to my YouTube video page here, and there's the video that I want to add. So I'm just going to copy the URL from up here. And I'm going to go back into that page and place it there. And done. And as you can see now, it has a spot. There's going to be several others in here, and I'll start this up again when I get to that point. Plus, I'm going to put some text in between some of these things. So you'll have some text that'll explain some stuff, a supportive video, some text that explains some stuff, some supportive video. We'll take a look at that here in just a moment. So here, now that I have gone in and put the video in, I went down to the bottom and did save. And now you can see that it has kind of like cemented it in place. Now I'm going to go back in and add the text. You can do this any number of times back and forth, but what you want to do now is you want to go to edit, which will then open the page back up again and allow you to type in either above or below the line, I think. I'm going to try that. There we go. So I added the link first. Now I'm going to add a title here for saying something about this, like please take a look at this, and then consult the other videos that I'm going to attach. And we'll take a look at that again here when I've got that completed. Here I've gone in after the video and added in my comments for the discussion. These are the particular questions that I'm going to be asking regarding this. And at the bottom of this form, once it's filled out, there will be an opportunity for people to then respond back to this. And we'll take a look at that finally when I have the other videos added and have this up and ready to place into my Canvas shell. So here I have completed the rest of this discussion. I have my video in first, as well as the 4 that I'm referencing here that I want to include as additional information. You can tell whether you've got it done correctly if these boxes appear like this, referencing a YouTube video that you have captured or have created and or have found. You'll know that you also have done it wrong if, like for instance, I'm going to add a line here and just try to paste in the URL that I had captured from the last YouTube video and did a paste. That you can see when I save this, that's going to be wrong. All that's going to show is that line of copy from the URL, and it won't work. It won't end up as a hyperlink. So we'll get rid of that. Anyway, since all of these are in now and I'm ready to put this up as a discussion, everything is in place, I can go down here to the bottom. I haven't included any of this information yet, and putting in a date and all of that stuff. I'm not going to do that just yet. But anyway, when you're all finished, you go down here to the bottom and you do save. And it should put it up for you as the open discussion. And it's ready to be published. I can go in and edit it and put in due dates and points, for Canvas discussion for grading and that kind of stuff. But as you can see, all the videos are now in place. They're all hyperlinked. Whenever you click on one of these, they'll automatically play. Anyway, that's how you put together response to the discussion. Oh, and I should also mention down here at the bottom is where you would reply to this. So you'd click on this and you'd reply back to me based on my list of questions here and include a video that you've recorded yourself, regarding something that you found or something that you feel important. So you should be able to do your own recordings now using Screencast-O-Matic and be able to capture these, and you should be able to put this stuff up into a YouTube page and create one of these kinds of things to respond back to me on. Okay? Anyway, hopefully that will make this so that we are much more interactive, because what I'm hoping to be able to do in these replies is make it so that other people in the class besides myself are replying to you. Okay? All for now. See you guys in the next video.